In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an email campaign in Mailchimp. So start by logging into your Mailchimp dashboard. Then in the left panel, click on the Create button. Then click on Email. Then choose Regular. So here, enter in your campaign name. Then press Begin. Now from here in the To section, select your audience. Then click on Design Email to open up Email Builder. Now select your preferred layout. And now once inside the email builder, use the drag and drop builder in the left panel to add text, images, buttons, or sections to your email. Just drop a specific content block that you may need for your layout and click on it to do modifications. Once you're satisfied with your design, click on Save and Exit to save your design template. Now click on Subject to add your subject line, then click on Save. And once done, click on Send, or if you prefer to send it later on a specific date, click on Send Time and change from Send Now to Schedule. And of course, add in your preferred delivery date and time. Then press Save and your MailChimp email campaign is now ready to go. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!